will talk about how can you disable achievements notifications on your Samsung Edge app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click on notifications. So then you come to notifications list here, you go down. Then you come here to achievements and you click in this sign or this color. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's mean achievements notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.